use? Well, today we are exploring a platform called TalentConnect. It's specifically designed to bridge that exact gap between learning critical skills, stuff like video editing and graphic design, and actually earning money through real business projects.
Right, we all know this classic paradox. How do you get experience without a job, but how do you get a job without experience? It is literally the ultimate catch-22. You apply for an entry-level position, supposedly entry-level, only to find out they want what, 3 years of experience and a master's degree? No way. It leaves countless students just stuck on the sidelines. But what if you actually didn't have to wait? So let's look at the solution here. TalentConnect operates on this super simple mantra: learn skills, do real work, earn money. It sounds pretty basic on the surface, sure, but it's actually a really profound shift in how we approach early career development. Historically, we treat learning and earning as these two totally separate phases, right? You study in a classroom for 4 years, and then, hopefully, fingers crossed, you get to work. This model throws that out the window and merges them into one single direct path.
Okay, so what is this platform exactly? TalentConnect is a practical setup that connects ambitious students directly with small businesses in India for mutual growth. And what's really fascinating here is the dual problem it solves. It's not just another standard job board for students. On one side of the equation, you've got students who are just hungry for a chance to prove themselves. And on the flip side, you have small businesses on the ground in India that desperately need help, but, they obviously lack the massive, endless budgets of a giant corporate tech company.
And that creates this absolutely perfect dynamic. It's like a giant puzzle coming together. On the student side, what do you need? You need practical, actual resume-worthy experience to break that catch-22, plus flexible remote work so you can, still go to class. Meanwhile, on the business side, these owners require affordable services to scale up, and they absolutely need verified talent they can actually trust. TalentConnect basically steps right into the middle of that gap and perfectly aligns those two exact needs.
Section 1. The Engine, 3 Simple Steps.
So here is your high-level look at how this ecosystem actually runs. Step 1, register and train. Step 2, get matched. And Step 3, work and earn. It is an incredibly action-oriented process. The whole point is to actively move you from the learning phase right into the earning phase, taking basically all the guesswork completely out of the equation. Let's actually break each of these down so you can see how they function out there in the real world.
Starting with Step 1, register and train. Now, importantly, you don't just sign up and get thrown to the wolves. That wouldn't work at all. Instead, you upskill in high-demand areas. The platform specifically targets highly practical skills, things like video editing and graphic design. By giving you these concrete foundational tools right off the bat, they ensure you actually have the abilities that modern businesses are actively looking for well before you ever take on a single project. Then we move to Step 2, get matched. Once you've actually honed those editing and design skills, the platform connects you directly with small businesses that need exactly what you just learned. This is the moment where theory becomes reality. You aren't just doing some hypothetical, made-up class assignment anymore. You are solving a genuine, real-world problem for a business owner who literally needs your specific talent to succeed.
And finally, Step 3, work and earn. This is where the loop officially closes. You complete those projects, you gain that incredibly elusive real-world experience, and the best part, you actually get paid for your work. And because the whole thing is flexible and remote, you can fit it seamlessly right around your college schedule. So you're validating the skills you just learned, putting a real, verifiable project on your resume, and generating an income all at once. That catch-22? Yeah, it's officially broken.
Moving on to Section 2, mutual growth and tangible benefits.
So beyond just the obvious basics of getting experience and providing affordable services, there are some really massive structural benefits baked in here, particularly when it comes to community mentorship and verified secure payments. The mentorship aspect means you aren't flying solo. You have the safety net and actual guidance as you navigate the messy start of your early career. And those verified payments, they completely remove that classic anxiety of freelance work. Both you and the business owner know for a fact that the transaction is secure and guaranteed.
And as we look at how this is structured, every single feature here directly translates into a real-world outcome for you. Being assigned projects means you are executing actual tasks, not just reading about them. The platform's growth translates directly into your own personal career acceleration. The remote flexibility ensures you are working on your own time when it actually suits you. And ultimately, being certified through the platform provides this undeniable third-party validation of your skills to future employers. Now, you might be wondering if this is actually working. Well, you aren't testing unproven waters here. By joining, you're stepping into an already thriving community. Hundreds of students and small businesses are utilizing this platform for mutual growth right now. I mean, literally today, there are students out there editing videos, designing graphics, and building up their resumes, while businesses over in India are scaling up their operations using that exact same talent. It's a total win-win.
The whole system is just sitting there waiting. The training for those key skills like design and editing is readily available. The businesses are quite literally waiting to match with you. So, the only thing left to ask yourself is this: are you ready to stop waiting for opportunities to just magically appear and start building your future today? That old catch-22 doesn't have to hold you back anymore. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. Now it's time for you to go take some action.